Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the new tire wear, or the tire wear at Carolina Motorsports Park, a motorcycle after a pre-track day. Just a heads up, I ran 148s most of the day. That's my pace, so take it for what it's worth. Get an idea to judge your own tire wear. I wasn't even going to make this video, but I thought, this is kind of information I would like to know and what to expect. So I'm going to show you an old tire from the pre-repavement. I'm going to show you my tire from this past weekend, and I'm going to show you a street tire and let you see the difference in wear. All right, so first, this is right here. All right, so first, this is a Pirelli TD from my last track day at Carolina Motorsports Park. This is what I would call typical tire wear and expected tire wear. This off of a 600. All right. If you've seen a tire from Carolina Motorsports Park, this is about 4 or 5 sessions on it. This is what it looks like. And it's hard to tell, but as typical, right side worn. I'm actually getting ready to flip this tire and use it this weekend. This tire is S22 from a street bike. One day in the mountains. Basically no tire wear, just a little bit of blistering, which is wore down on the way home, but I mean, I don't push it on the street, so essentially very little tire wear, very little blistering, very little rubber lifted. Q3 Plus from this weekend. Basically, you can see that, I mean, this is, okay, I just want to point out, I have 3 days on this tire. One, I have about 3 sessions at Carolina pre-repavement. I have 6 sessions this weekend after repavement, and I have a day at BIR North on this rear tire. This rear tire looks similar to that one before Carolina Motorsports Park, but this is the tire wear on the repavement, new pavement at Cmp. I do show the typical right side bias and wear, but the tire is basically clean. It's like I had a perfect suspension, perfect air pressure. And it wasn't just my tire, it was almost everybody's tire there. Now, what I did do is, there are 2 things I do for my tire pressure. I usually run a couple pounds higher than recommended because of my weight. And I ran a couple pounds or 1 to 2 pounds higher just because that's what they told me. So this is actually a 34 PSI in the rear. Front tire is basically the same. I mean, there is like essentially you wear the tire out, but you're not peeling rubber off of it. So anyway, I'm just going to stop this video. I just want to do a quick one real quick on what the new tire pressure or what the new wear looks like at Cmp, and hopefully this helps someone out. It is awesome and incredible. If you've been there in the past, you will not believe the difference.